all my civil engineering students. Today I am going to give you the exact 10 steps by which you can get a job in the design field. And if you follow my secret 10 formulas, you can earn from 40,000 to 80,000 salary per month by learning civil designing softwares. Myself, Kaustubh Panse from multinational training company CAD Center Private Limited. I am also the founder of Freshers Civil Engineering Community, and I am on a mission that how Freshers Civil Engineers Community can learn and earn lots of money by doing job in designing firms. So let's start. How quickly you can become design engineer. The first formula is to create goal card for your dream. Hello, all fresher civil engineers, listen to me very carefully, and I am damn serious about this. This video is only for fresher civil engineers who have the guts to earn lots of money by working in very good company. And I want all of us and all of you to be in one page. If you want a good job at an MNC company, then follow the exact steps that I'm going to tell you now. Set your dream right now, and to achieve that dream, let's first create a goal card. Let me explain you what's a goal card. My dear fresher civil engineers, if you have this dream that you want a design job and it should be in a multinational company and with a fantastic high salary, then this webinar, this video will be the life changer for you. I want you all to set your dream right now, and that is, just say, I want to become civil infrastructure design engineer, and do as it is that I am going to tell you now to do. Create a goal card now. Take a pocket size paper, write down your own handwriting. Remember, I repeat, this should be in your own handwriting. Check out as same as is also given on the slide. Put your name, and below on that card put your designation, that is civil infrastructure design engineer, and at the back side, on the flip side, write down your mission on a 3 bullet boxes. That is a design job. You want to have been working in a multinational company and been earning 2 lakh rupees salary. You can take whatever salary you wish. I've just put 2 lakh. That was my dream when I started. This could be 40,000. This could be 80,000. Some may like 1 lakh. The number you can take. Whatever makes you feel happy. I have taken 2 lakhs just as my personal choice. Remember, don't tick mark in these 3 bullet boxes. Just put it blank. When you achieve your first mission, that is, you get your design job, then put a tick mark. When you get job in a good MNC company, then put the second tick mark. And lastly, when you achieve 2 lakh rupees salary, then you put the final tick mark. Remember, you have to see this card daily and carry this card till you achieve your goal. You can keep it in your wallet, you can keep it in your shirt pocket, anywhere. It should be accessible. So once you achieve this goal, straight away tear that goal card and get rid of it. After that, you know what to do. You again create a new goal card for what you want in your life. It's that simple as it is. And yes, it's that as simple as I am telling you. So now I want you all to create goal card now, and also write your goal card in the comment box. I want to see how much you are serious. I said this is for people who are serious. Hello, I want your goal card in the comment box of this video. Whether you're seeing it live, whether you're seeing it in YouTube video, please put your goal card in the comment box. I repeat, if you want to earn lots of money, then follow the exact steps that I am telling you now. So right now, pause this video and create goal card right away. This is a foolproof tested formula and it works amazingly. My dear fresher civil engineers, this is going to change your life forever. Hello, I mean it. I want to see your goal card in the comment box. So stop watching this video right away. Yes, right away. There's no point going ahead. I'm waiting for your comments to see your goal card. Okay, I trust you. You would have definitely created your goal card. Trust me, by using this formula, lots of fresher civil engineers are working in the best of the best multinational company and earning lots of salary that they dreamt of. Many people don't understand the power of goals and of the goal card. If you have still not created goal card, stop this video, create it now. Otherwise, you will not be able to achieve your dream. This is the foolproof tested formula. Right now or never. Finish the task. Just do it. Second formula, top 100 companies. Now, in your mission statement, you have written that you want a job in the top MNC company. So I have given you top 21 infrastructure companies like Tata Project, DSK, Afcon, Ifcon, Reliance Infrastructure, and so and so. But you have to search top 100 infrastructure companies names. Now, right now, what you do is you complete this video, and after that you do that. Okay, understand what you have to do. You have to find top 100 infrastructure companies, go to their website, search for what segment they are expert for and what are they doing right now. After finding this top 100 companies, look at that list and say with full confidence that I want to work in these top 100 companies. Hey, listen carefully. This makes your mission more strong. It gives you energy and direction to achieve your goal. Hello, are you understanding what I'm telling you? It will change your life. Tie a knot now. Work for diamonds, not for gold. Okay, I am telling you how to get job in the design field and earn lots of money. Now tell me, how does it sound? I am a fresher engineer. I have a dream to work into top MNC companies, but I don't know what are the best top 100 infrastructure companies in the country in which I am looking for a job. Does it sound good? Absolutely no. Tell me, it's a complete nonsense thing, na? And tell me, how fresher engineer can be able to get a job, a dream job? So, do what I am telling you. After watching this video, finish the task right away. And also, post the names of these top infrastructure companies in the comment box so that I also see and get assurance that my fresher civil engineering students are on their path. And I know you'll all do that. Hello, are you with me? If yes, then type in the comment box as mission accomplished. Pause watching this video and write down in the comment section mission accomplished. I want to see the comment right now and I'm waiting for you. Okay, I trust you. Let's move ahead. Trust me, it will be very interesting for you. The third formula is create 250 plus project portfolio. Dear fresher civil engineers, trust me, this is the top most key formula to crack an interview. If you want a job in this top 100 infrastructure companies, then you should be having your own project portfolio. Remember, these companies are only hunting for talents. Talking about project portfolio, it is similar to what you create in your college to clear Viva or mock test, but this project portfolio is little different and it carries industrial project. Every industry uses this portfolio for three things. One, to acquire new clients. Second, to client also send their project portfolio to make the contractor understand what kind of work is needed. And finally, both the parties exchange project portfolios to specify the exact scope of work, what needs to be accomplished. So now I want that you all should create your own portfolio known as 250 plus project portfolio by Kaustubh Panse. In this statement, just replace your name. In this statement, just replace your name. What is the statement? What you have to say? You have to say that this is 250 plus project portfolio created by you. Mention your name. Don't bother about how you shall create this project portfolio. I'll tell you soon. Don't worry about it. Now in the comment box, write down that this 250 plus project portfolio by mentioning your name. Just do what I say. Trust me. I'm waiting for your comments. Stop watching video. Do it fast. I'm waiting. Okay, I trust you. Now you know the key success formula to crack interview for top 100 infrastructure companies. Now just imagine if you have this 250 plus industrial project knowledge. Do what I say. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine you have 250 plus industrial projects knowledge skill. Trust me, no one can stop you. Soon you become the star at design job. Pause this video and do what I am saying. I am waiting for you. Just need to close the eyes and imagine. For people who could imagine, I'm asking a simple question. How does it feel? How is it feeling now? It's amazing. Yes, believe me, soon it shall become true. Okay, let's move to the next formula. The fourth formula, create project portfolio on this top software listed to become civil designers. Hello, there may be many softwares, but these softwares are the most demanded softwares in the infrastructure industry. Whatever you are appearing on the screen, note down this software in your diary. If you want a job in these top infrastructure companies, then you should know this top building infrastructure designing softwares. Now I want you to go on Google search and find all these software website link. Trust me, this will be a game changer in your life. I will give you a short hint about this. Why you need to know the software website link? It shall make you expert design engineers in following five things. First, you shall be able to design building projects. You shall be able to produce erection drawing. You shall be able to do structural analysis project. You should be able to estimate the quantity and costing of the building, and after that you will be also able to do planning and scheduling of building project. So now pause this video and find the website link of these top 5 softwares. I am waiting for you. Okay, I trust you, and now you are doing a great job till now. I will give you detailed tasks that you have to do after completely watching this video. This will give you a complete new direction to achieve your goal as quickly as possible. Let's move to the next formula. Fifth formula, the future of this in India and abroad, and how big opportunities there in the design industry. Now I want you to imagine the job opportunities of these infrastructure companies. Imagine you're working for a part of building these types of infrastructure. Now look at each corner of the slide and say loudly, I am building designer of these infrastructure. Say loudly, I am designer of high-rise commercial building projects. Say loudly that I design hotels, malls, parks and stadium projects, hospital, universities and school projects. See, friends, Indian economy is moving from 3.2 trillion to $5 trillion. There's a big role infrastructure is playing to build this country. 100% FDI is going to be open. This is going to lead to generate amazing amount of jobs in the market. So, okay, let's move to the next formula. Don't quit and fight for destiny. 3 steps to change your life forever. This is a very important step that you get into action. If you follow these steps, you will achieve your goal very quickly. And probably, according to me, this is the most difficult part where civil engineers quit. Yes, I said quit, and the dream of his ends here. Let's quickly see what these 3 steps are. The 7th formula is about action, about converting your dreams into goal. First, learn building infrastructure design from expert. Second, take project experience while you are learning this software itself. Third, prepare so that you clear the technical interview. As simple as it is, but very few civil engineers have the courage to fulfill this dream. And this is the right time for you. If you have the guts that my dream is the most important for me and I will make it complete, say loudly, I'm going to see my goal card each day and I shall take action, every action to fulfill my dream. Okay, you may have a question. Where is the Expert Training Institute and what is that institute? I can create my 250 plus project portfolio. Valid question. Yes, I'll give the complete answer. But before that, tell me, did you get value till now? Yes, definitely. You got lots of value. And I want you to type value and what value you got by watching this video. Just simply put it in the comment box. Do it now. I want to see your comment. Write down what value you learned till now. Hurry up. Stop watching this video. Pause for a second and write down in the comment section. Okay, I trust you and I'm sure you got lots of value from this video. I am a founder of Freshers Civil Engineering Committee and I am on a mission, a very special mission. And that mission is that every fresher engineer shall earn lots of money by doing job in a designing firm. So now you have to share this video link your WhatsApp and Facebook accounts to become the part of this Freshers Civil Engineering community. Share this video link now. I know you all will share this video link. Yes, please do it for our Freshers Civil Engineering community. I am waiting for you. Do it. Okay, I'm absolutely sure you'll share this video now. Let's see which is the Expert Training Institute and how you can create 250 plus project portfolio. But before that, I want you to know what you believe and what are your thoughts. Hello, listen to me carefully. Hello, listen to me very carefully. Your one single wrong limiting belief will stop you to get to your actual destiny. Yes, your one single wrong belief will stop you from getting to your destiny. And I want you all to correct it now. Let's see the eighth formula about beliefs. Only degree is not enough. About 12 lakh engineers passed out last year. And I don't want to blame the education system, but this is a reality. This education does not provide industrial practical skills. Your engineering degree can never give you 1 lakh salary job. My dear civil engineering students, if you want to achieve your destiny, then do what I am telling you to do. Infrastructure industry, these top companies doesn't spend a rupee on you. Do you know that? They don't have the time for that. They want that the employee who's working for them should handle their industrial project. Remember, the number one rule industry is following, that is skill is equal to money. As simple as it is. If you have the skill, you will be paid the highest salary. Understood? Let's move. Next formula, avoiding mistake. Please avoid foolish mistakes, my dear fresher engineers. Please awake now. You talk about distance, that the company and the training institute is far from my home. Imagine you get a job in the top company, and then you're saying, oh, this company is far from my home place. Listen carefully. You should be able to earn lots of money. And what I want you is that you should be working for the best and the best top infrastructure company that you see in each corner of the world. To achieve your destiny, to fulfill your dreams, you have to get out from your home. I mean it right now. Follow my step. You will only achieve your goal. Similarly, if you want to learn it from an expert institute that will give you more than 250 plus industrial project knowledge, which will help you to crack your job interview, you must go to the institute place. The institute, friends, will not come to your home. Remember, this is a success formula, and I mean it. Wherever you live, step out from your home and take action now. You shall definitely find the ways where you will live and where you shall eat. In Hindi, there's a famous quote, जिंदगी अपना रास्ता ढूंढ ही लेती है. My dear fresher engineers, your life shall find its own path. About you have this belief about the courses being expensive. Tell me how much you and your parents have spent in education till now, and what is the purpose of spending so much of huge money. Today you have to make it clear now. You have to understand that nothing you get is for free. If you are looking for free knowledge, then you cannot achieve your destiny. Only when you invest in yourself, you will definitely get huge returns. My dear fresher civil engineers, this is the top success formula. This is the worldwide success formula that every successful engineer is following. Note down this success formula right away. You also believe that you have learned software in colleges. Those commands are enough. And I have also done it from YouTube ideas, YouTube videos, and got a lot of ideas. Ask yourself, what top infrastructure company needs to hire you? Your one small mistake, I've been repeating this, your one small mistake will destroy your destiny. Again, think for yourself. Would you be able to design a building project on this software just based on learning few software commands? Please understand, learning this software commands does not mean that you're designing any stuff, and anyone can learn software commands. It's just a helping tool. And here the difference starts. That is designing a real building infrastructure. Absolutely no. Knowing your commands will not give you this top infrastructure company job. Yes, remember, you should have solved industrial projects. If you are able to do that, then and then, only then, they will hire you. Ask yourself again and again, and you have the answer, and you know what to do. Another belief many of you have or possess, and so rightly, that you believe that there are no jobs in the market. Look at everywhere. Lots of civil engineers are making lots of money. I don't know why you have shut your eyes, why you have closed your eyes. You can't see the big infrastructure, the huge infrastructure buildings around you. And who is designing this? Are you thinking there is no designing engineering work that is happening around you? Today, industry is competing to make iconic infrastructure, and the world gets the pleasure from seeing this iconic infrastructure, and everyone is competing on that. Wake up. My precious civil engineers, wake up now. Please don't do these silly mistakes. You go for a nearby institute and learn it on a cheaper rate, non-value added course without worrying about the syllabus. You don't value the certification value. I don't know how an engineer can commit such a big mistake. Look at the infrastructure malls, high-rise building, and look at the Statue of Unity that is in Gujarat. What will be the cost of this project? Hello, are you with me? We are the civil engineers who are the creators of your friend. Understand what knowledge areas are required to build such big infrastructure. Yes, my dear friends, you have to understand this as simply learning in IIT and learning in your college. This has got a very, very big difference. If you want a job in these top infrastructure companies, then you have to choose the best of the best training institute. Okay, I think it's clear. Let's move ahead. Let's see what is the best of the best expert training institute and how in that institute you can create more than 250 plus projects, portfolio and learn in industrial syllabus. CAD Center Design Studio is one of the best training institutes for civil engineers. And why is the best training institute? Listen to me very, very carefully. This training institute will train you on more than 250 plus industrial project. It will showcase your expertise in software by working on industrial project. It will give you practical knowledge about how to design 250 plus projects. And once you have this 250 plus project knowledge in your pocket, then no one can stop you. It will boost your confidence. This CAD Center Design Studio has best industrial syllabus to become expert design engineer. You will be prepared so that you crack technical interview. This is exact design software training institute that makes you civil building design infrastructure engineer. At the end of this course, you will have more than 250 plus industrial projects in your portfolio that will be in your pocket, and that will give you a fantastic job in a very, very good company. Enroll to this course to become civil building infrastructure design engineer. Understood? Okay, now let's move to the next formula. This is the top certification course approved by Government of India and various authorization bodies, and this is a top certificate which is accepted by the industry. You will find logos of all National Skill Development Corporation, the Indian government body, and the logos of various software companies. CAD Center is also associated with all industrial knowledge bodies. This certificate course is created by joint venture between Indian government versus various knowledge bodies of the industries and the software companies. This course certification represents exact skill that is required by the industry. This organization has also certified professional trainers, and they have all passed PCE exams, practical test, communication mocks, behavior skill exams, and they're also T3 certified. More talking about this CAD Center training organization, it's a multinational training institute which has got more than 1,000 outlets in more than 50 countries. I'm an active member of this organization, and we are proud that it's a pioneer to introduce CAD technology in India. Since 1988, in the past 32 years, we have scaled more than 15 lakh engineers. We are authorized software education institute. We are government NSDC affiliated, and we are also ISO certified and MSc certified. I want to talk about this and about their teaching methodology. See, guys, folks, they follow the industry teaching methodology, means teaching on industrial projects from day one of the class. They have students physical progress tracking system. You have to sign each project you solve, and also top of that, your trainer also gives assessment remark on your report. That is a tracking system. The trainers make you solve each project listed in the industrial syllabus. They also have an ERP system. Just like any industry, this solves your progress of on-time batch, course progress tracking, student course material, and on-time certification. So about CAD Center facilities, it gives subsidies in tax, softwares and books, affordable courses with part payment is offered. SBI loan facility is also there. Today, it is available in 4 locations in Pune. The training facilities are classroom, online and hybrid training. It's open for all 7 days. You can take breaks during your course. Personal trainers with individual training will also be there. These centers have huge number of customers giving them 5-star reviews. Please check out their reviews on different social media. You can call now at the given mobile number on your screen, or connect to the website cadcenterdesignstudio.com, or follow us on hashtag cadcenterdesignstudio. Now let's talk about the frequently asked questions, and that is the questions about the placement. Yes, this center gives job assistance to open industry door. But it's completely up to you how you polish your skill. Remember, if you polish your skill, then no one can stop you. It's just like the rising sun. It is so simple. Okay, is it clear now? Let's talk about some reality fact. Dear fresher lead engineers, I know these top infrastructure companies don't hire freshers. Listen carefully. First, but don't worry, take a job of 12,000 to 18,000 as a fresher and earn 1 year of experience. Listen carefully. First, earn 1 year of design experience, and then only your entry will be open in the top MNC industries. Okay, is it clear? Now, the most important task for you is remaining. Yes, remember, task on the software website link which I mentioned earlier. Go to each software link and spend 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. Note down what is this software made for, what did you find, and put your search in the comment box so I can see that you are on the path of achieving your goal. Also, put 10 more hours on top 100 infrastructure websites, company websites, find out and search what they are doing, what they are expert in, what project did they complete till now. Okay, I know you will do that immediately, and you know that I am a founder of a freshers civil community, and I'm on a mission that every fresher engineer, every damn engineer should earn lots of money by doing jobs in designing firm. Yes, I'm also on the mission of helping civil engineering community. I want you to join and be a part of this community, and let's be united and start sharing this video link to your WhatsApp, Facebook wall to help our fresher civil engineering community. I know you all will share this video link. Bye bye. Myself Kaustubh Panse, and I'm waiting for your comments. If you have any query, please put it in the comment box and I shall definitely reply.